student. Today we are going to discuss about question number 50. That is being a very important question. The concept change a little bit here. See here, Suresh and Amesh are partners in the firm sharing profit loss in the ratio 3:2. The ratio is given 3:2. Okay. And the capital account, the fixed capital being given there 9 lakh and 6 lakh. The capital are fixed. So whatever NTV past adjustment is, that will be passed in current account. Okay. You have to the following partnership provide the following. क्या बोले interest on capital you have to pay 5%. You have to pay salary Suresh 60,000 rupees per annum and Ramesh 2,000 rupees per month. It will be multiplied by 12. Okay. The last point is given there. The profit of the firm earned the profit of 2,34,000 rupees. Because the profit was divided equally between the partners. There are two ratios of profit given there. If the amount of profit is given there and two ratios are given there. First one profit किस रेशियो बांटा 1:1 में बांटा और बांटना किसमें था 3:2. तो व्हाट वी डू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम प्रॉफिट को जिस रेशियो में बांटा किस रेशियो में बांटा इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया विल कैंसिल द प्रॉफिट इक्वली देन वी पे ऑल दीस थिंग्स whatever profit is left it will be distributed in the ratio 3:2. How? I'll let you know. If two ratios of profit being given there, one in which the profit has to be distributed and one in which the profit has been distributed but already distributed is 1:1. And the amount of profit is given there. So first of all we cancel the profit. What did I write down? Profit pay करते हैं तो it will go to the credit side. Cancel करते हैं तो it will go to the debit side of partners capital account. Profit distributed now cancel. $2,34,000 किस रेशियो में 1:1 में 1/2 it come 1,70,000 but when we cancel the profit will come to debit side 1,70,000 debit in Suresh account and 1,70,000 debit in Anish and it will be what we do it will come to the credit side of partners capital 2,34,000 जैसे आपने किसी को चीज गलत दे दी उससे वापस ले ली तो प्रॉफिट वापस here it comes to the credit side. Okay, now what we have to pay? We have to pay first of all interest on capital. Interest on capital. Interest on capital go where it go to the credit side of partners capital account. 9 lakh 5% of 9 lakh is come 45,000. 5% of 6 lakh 30,000. Partner capital account credit. And firm's account will be debit. Okay. After that, you have to pay salary. What we do with the salary? Salary comes from the credit side of partners capital account. 60,000 was Suresh. So Suresh it comes 60,000 and 2,000 per month for Ramesh. For the whole year it comes 24,000. Okay. Credit form it will be debit 84,000 rupees. Now see to here. Now we'll see the form. All the things been done. Now we'll see to the form. Total credit side 234, debit side this amount. So we calculate which side is bigger. Credit side is bigger. कैसे difference करेंगे? 234 is the credit side amount, and debit side will make the total of this. It come 9,000, 1,59,000. Minus करेंगे. It will minus from that 75,000 credit balance is there because it will be distributing credit side. How much more? 75,000. In this ratio, second one इसमें cancel नहीं किया 3:1. Division of rupees 75,000 and ratio of second one ratio 3:3. Profit का आता है credit side में 5 it comes 45,000 credit side so and 2/5 it comes 30,000 per partners capital account credit हुआ form it will be debit. Now total of form become equal 234. Okay. Now what we gonna do? Find out debit side total is 1,17,000. Credit side total is 50, 90, 150. Okay. Now we are coming to the. You see that Credit side is bigger, how much? 33,000 rupees. So this account will be credited 33,000 rupees. Here for Ramesh, debit side 1,17,000 rupees. Credit side it comes 84,000 rupees. This side is bigger, debit side how much? 33,000 rupees. So that account will debited with 33,000 rupees. Okay. Highlighting the entry. The capital account of X, we will pass the entry with current account will be debit Ramesh. The entry stands for Ramesh. Current will be in place of capital. To Ramesh current account. Okay. 33,000 and 33,000. Relation being adjustment will be passed. If the capital account of X in the question, will pass the entry with the current account. Question doing process will remain same. Another thing, what is the difference in the question? If profit amount is given there, two ratios been given there. Question says profit is distributed in the ratio 1:1, and the profit after the profit will be distributed in the ratio 3:2 में बांटना था. बांटना किसमें 1:1 में. तो जिस रेशियो में प्रॉफिट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया उसी रेशियो में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैंसल द प्रॉफिट, देन वी पे व्हाट वी हैव टू पे एंड वी कैलकुलेट द रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट एंड इट विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द सेकंड रेशियो जिस प्रॉफिट को नहीं बांटा उसको. अगर प्रॉफिट गिवन है, अगर रेशियो डबल रेशियो में गिवन है, जिस रेशियो में प्रॉफिट को बांटा है उसी रेशियो में आप कैंसिल करेंगे. यू हैव टू कीप दिस थिंग वेरी क्लियरली इन योर माइंड. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. दैट इज बीन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. हैव अ गुड डे. टेक केयर.